Let me introduce you to NOVUS device configuration platform SigNow. This platform is very easy and intuitive. There are the following icons: configuration, create configuration, diagnostic, and open configuration. Use the latter option if you already have a configuration file saved, be it a TX Mini, TX Block, or a USB transmitter. Enter the folder, browse for the file, and open it. In the diagnostic option, you can see in real time what is happening, whether the equipment is malfunctioning, for example, or whether it is reading the temperature correctly. In Create Configuration, you can see the device families that can be configured. Here you can enter the configuration section. In it, there are the following communication modes: USB, Modbus TCP, RS485, and HART protocol. I'm going to use this one, the USB interface. In this mode, the device already appears as connected. TX Rail USB is connected to COM8 port. I'm going to click here. The following options will be displayed: General, Tuning, Custom Calibration, Diagnostic, and Firmware Update. The sensor type will be displayed, and there's a group of sensors that can be used in my device. I'm going to choose PT100 3-wire option. Here we have the quantity that I'm going to use in reading mode. I can decide whether the value will be displayed in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Each sensor has its own lower and upper reading limit. In this case, my lower limit of reading is -200 degrees Celsius and the maximum is 550 degrees Celsius. When the maximum reading value is exceeded, the equipment enters the scale point. When it exceeds the lower value, it also enters the scale point. This indicates a sensor failure. If my output indicates 4 mA, it means that I'm having problems with the output. If it indicates the maximum value of 20 mA, it also means that I'm going to have problems. In output type, we have options for 4 to 20 mA to 10 to 0 volts. There is no wide range of choices. I will choose the 4 to 20 mA option. In settings, I can perform an offset adjustment, which is the gain of my system. I can read my sensor. In this case, I am reading it wrong. It is possible to adjust here by changing the values. In optimized calibration, I can choose the point at which my device should perform the reading. In diagnostic, I can see in real time what is happening. Here I can see the temperature, which is 17.9 degrees, and the time I am reading the equipment. The graph shows the temperature identified by the device. And here is the product name: TX Rail USB, serial number, and firmware version. In firmware upgrade, it is possible to perform the process in two ways: search the internet or search a saved file and send it to the device. Now follow me to general mode. I will send the saved information to the device. After loading, the software will display the following information: the configuration was successful. I'll click OK and go back to diagnostics. I want to see in real time the temperature of an oven or machine or any other application. In this example, the temperature is 18 degrees. Thank you.